The American Shorthair. When you think of the classic American cat, sturdy, beautiful, affectionate, intelligent, there's one breed that perfectly captures that image. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the American Shorthair, a breed shaped by history, refined by purpose, and beloved by millions. This isn't just another house cat. This is a breed that sailed across oceans. A breed that protected food supplies in early colonies. A breed that helped shape American homes long before it ever stepped into a show ring. In this documentary, we'll explore their incredible origin story, their physical structure and breed standards, coat colors and patterns, personality and intelligence, health, lifespan, and genetics, grooming and maintenance, training and enrichment, a living with families, kids, and other pets, and whether this is the right breed for you. Let's begin at the very start. Origins and colonial roots. The story of the American Shorthair begins not in America, but in Europe. Centuries ago, working cats were essential companions aboard ships. They protected stored grain from rodents, guarded cargo, and prevented the spread of disease. When European settlers crossed the Atlantic, they brought these hardy cats along. These were not pampered pets. They were working animals. When they arrived in the New World, possibly even aboard ships like the Mayflower, they adapted quickly to farm life, barns, towns, and frontier settlements. Through natural selection and practical breeding, these cats developed muscular bodies, thick, dense coats, strong hunting instincts, excellent survival skills. Over generations, a distinct American type emerged. By the early 1900s, cat fanciers began selectively breeding these working cats to preserve their strength and balanced temperament. Originally, the breed was called domestic shorthair, but in 1966, the name was officially changed to American Shorthair to distinguish pedigreed cats from random-bred domestic cats and to honor their uniquely American heritage. Today, they remain one of the most popular pedigreed breeds in North America. Breed structure and physical build. The American Shorthair is built for function. This is not a delicate cat. This is a powerful, balanced feline athlete. Size and weight. Males, 11 to 15 pounds. Females, 6 to 12 pounds. Medium to large frame. Solid bone structure. They mature slowly, often taking 3 to 4 years to reach full physical development. Head structure. A large, round head. Full cheeks, especially in males. Strong jaw. Slightly rounded ears. Eyes. A large and wide set. Often gold, copper, green, blue, or odd-eyed depending on coat color. Body. Broad chest. Muscular shoulders. Strong hindquarters. Thick neck. Everything about this cat communicates stability and strength. They were bred to hunt, and their body reflects that purpose. Coat colors and patterns. One of the most fascinating things about this breed is its coat diversity. The American Shorthair comes in over 80 recognized colors and patterns. But the most iconic? The silver tabby. With its dramatic black markings over a silver background, it's instantly recognizable. Common patterns include Classic tabby, mackerel tabby. Solid colors: black, white, blue. Calico, bicolor. Tortoise shell, shaded in smoke. Their coat is short, dense, thick, designed for insulation. Unlike some short-haired breeds, their fur feels firm and plush, not silky. Certain colors, like chocolate or pointed patterns, are not accepted in show standards because they suggest crossbreeding. But as pets, every color variation is equally wonderful. Personality and temperament. If there's one word that defines the American Shorthair, it's balance. They're not clingy, but they are affectionate. They are playful, but not hyperactive. They are independent, but not aloof. Key personality traits: adaptable, intelligent, calm, loyal, observant. They enjoy companionship, but do not demand constant attention. They're content sitting beside you, not necessarily on you. With children, they're patient and sturdy, making them excellent family cats. With dogs, when properly introduced, they coexist beautifully with respectful dogs. Hunting instinct. They retain strong prey drive, so interactive toys are essential. Puzzle feeders, feather wands, and climbing trees help stimulate their natural instincts. They are thinkers. You'll often see them observing quietly before engaging. Health, genetics, and lifespan. One of the strongest advantages of this breed is its overall health. Because of its working origins and careful breeding, the American Shorthair is generally robust. Lifespan: 15 to 20 years with proper care. Potential health concerns: polycystic kidney disease, PKD1 gene in some lines. Obesity if overfed. Dental issues, like many cats. They are generally less prone to extreme genetic issues compared to more heavily modified breeds. Regular veterinary visits, weight control, and high-quality nutrition are essential. Grooming and care. The grooming needs are refreshingly simple. Coat care. Weekly brushing. More frequent during shedding seasons. Nail trimming every 2 to 3 weeks. Exercise. Even though they're calm, they still need daily play sessions. Without exercise, they may gain weight. Diet. High-protein, portion-controlled feeding is ideal. They love food, so free feeding can lead to obesity. Is this the right cat for you? The American Shorthair may be perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance breed. You prefer moderate affection. You have children. You have other pets. You want a long-lived companion. They may not be ideal if you want an ultra-clingy lap cat. You prefer highly vocal breeds. You want extreme exotic features. They are classic, timeless, steady, reliable. The American Shorthair represents something special. Not extravagance, not exaggeration, but balance, strength, history, companionship. From ship decks to suburban homes, from barnyards to show halls, this breed has remained steady for centuries. If you bring one into your home, you're not just adopting a cat. You're welcoming a piece of living American history. If you found this documentary informative, consider supporting the channel. Like this video to help it reach more viewers. Share it with others and subscribe for more in-depth educational documentaries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.